Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Discord cache. What this will do is boost your Discord experience, navigating Discord, everything. So first of all, in order to boost the Discord experience, what I'm going to do is leave some servers or two. So vidIQ, I think I should find a server to leave. Trend watchers. I'll try to leave a server, my friends. First of all, I'll leave this server, RTS lovers. Yes, I'll leave this server just to boost my Discord, and also you can do that later. So what you are going to do is, first of all, first step is go to view and make sure you have enabled hidden items. Now the next step is you will type in search %app data %. You'll hit it. Now you'll go to app data, and in app data you need to go to roaming, and roaming, not you need to make sure to go to roaming, not local. In roaming you need to open up Discord, and in Discord you see this cache file. So I'm going to open it, and what I'm going to do is, before opening it, I'm going to quit Discord and make sure that it's not using any files. Press Ctrl A, or just choose all the files, my friends. We'll choose all the files. Each and every file in the folder of cache we are going to choose. So many files. Look at this, and you will see that the so much valuable resources from your PC have been deleted. Your PC will run faster even. So I have chosen everything. I'll click delete button, and look at this, 140. A lot of files are being deleted, my friends. 1800 plus files are being deleted right now. All the files have been deleted, and none of them were used because I removed Discord. So what I'm going to do, my friends, is hover my mouse over, copy this, because I don't have a keyboard, my friends. I have deattached it, paste it over here, and open the Discord app, and you'll see it will open up much faster, my friends, much faster. Rapidly open up, and it will be faster and faster as ever. Fast pace is there, my friends, and I can see all the servers over here. So this is how you delete your Discord cache memory to boost your Discord server. I also showed you a bonus tip, or to leave the servers which you do not use. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'll be signing off. Take care.